Hello, welcome to Fomo Store. In this video, I will be showing how to apply pre-cut laptop skin. In our package, you will receive your ordered skin, application tab, and installation kit. First, use the installation kit. In the kit, you will get alcohol wipe, microfiber cloth, and dust absorber. First, use alcohol wipe and clean the surface neatly. Use microfiber cloth to make the surface clean and dry. If any sticky substance is left over on the surface, use dust absorber to remove it in the end. Now apply the small parts of skin as shown in the video. Next, remove the release paper from skin and keep it upside down, and place the application tab on it as shown in video. If your laptop logo is not in center, then you can also apply the skin without using application tab. Now align the skin with your laptop logo edges of the laptop. Follow the process as shown. Make sure you do it patiently and without hurry. This might take your 5 to 10 minutes of time. While applying trackpad skin, make sure you align it properly. While applying keyboard area skin, align it according to the key gap areas. Gently align and place in the gaps. Use your fingertips to press it. Follow the process as shown. Now start applying the skin from the corners of the laptop and keep applying it in the straight direction.